Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Windows is current and rebooted. This clears many environment issues. Once done, open Services and set NVIDIA Display Container (LS) and NVIDIA Local System to automatic, then start them. This restores core processes. Make sure to temporarily disable antivirus or Windows Defender real-time scanning because they can block GeForce Experience network and service calls. After making these changes, leave the system running while you move to driver and app integrity steps. This prevents interrupting service restarts or updates. Next, you address the driver and application layer because corrupted drivers or app files often cause 0x0003. Begin in Device Manager. Uninstall the NVIDIA adapter and tick Delete driver software to remove remnants. Once removed, go to Apps and Features and choose Repair for GeForce Experience. This fixes broken runtime files without losing settings. Then download the latest driver and install with the Clean Install option so old config fragments are removed. After installation, restart and verify services start automatically. Finally, resolve network stack and permission issues which can persist after reinstall. Open an elevated prompt and run netwinsock reset, then restart. This clears socket corruption that blocks NVIDIA network calls. Make sure NVIDIA services run under the correct accounts and set service recovery options to restart on failure so transient errors self-heal. If you still see 0x0003, reinstall GeForce Experience using Run as administrator to ensure proper ACLs. Trouble tip: if problems persist, check Event Viewer for NVIDIA-related errors and note exact messages for deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.